Hello all, welcome to the new video. Here in this particular video, I am going to answer one of the comment which was received in recent video. I feel that this was going to helpful for many of the candidates, those who are having some experience in some support project and but they are more interested into DevOps or else already learned DevOps. Then in that case, for transitioning you might be having lot of questions. Okay, so it is good to have like lot of questions and clarify it, and some people like try to overcome it with sharing surrounding people those who are in the same domain how to tackle the situation like that. And some people not supposed to share their experience, they need to overcome themselves like that. So it is either ways it is good, but the end was you need to know the like things in the sense like know how the reality of the transition and how you need to be more realistically you need to appear in interviews or in your resume presentation, all those things. Okay, so in this video I mean, because of this only I took dedicatedly this comment to like expose what exactly you need to do in this particular situation. It is completely about as of the knowledge I know, and do considering of other suggestions also. So this may also work and that also works. Okay, and the comment was I have around 5 years of experience in support and development or something. I wanted to switch into DevOps. How many years of experience can I show in my resume to switch? And if I put 1 year, will I get your interview calls? First of all, I wanted to clarify one thing. If you have some amount of experience, okay, some amount of experience, you have some X number of years, okay, don't waste, I mean, try maximum not to waste your experience. Okay, by, I mean, how you can not going to waste that particular experience by obviously showcasing your skills into DevOps or relevant technologies. Okay, so I mean the main thing was this one only. Many people like think in this way like I worked for 2 years or 3 years in support. I'm planning to move into a DevOps or DevSecOps or some cloud or AWS role as a newbie or else as a like some I learned the things and I was able to handle the task. Can you hire me? I mean, if you ask in this way, definitely as a company, they are going to expect some real time hands on project or something experience. Okay, so just I mean, try to fulfill their requirement. Whatever you have, obviously you have. If you are planning to transition or are interested, then obviously you have learned some things within the DevOps, right? So, showcase your skills in such a way that your transition should be in hybrid. In especially in this case I can say like I mean, I will first answer this particular comment and I will go to the general perspective. Let's say if in this particular situation my best suggestion is in the hybrid mode. Hybrid in the sense just go with 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 like that. What exactly 3 was? 3 indicates to the amount of years you worked in a some support project, but it was mostly the support is related to a DevOps. And from past 2 years I was working as a full, I mean, complete DevOps role, and dedicatedly I'm the person who was allocated into that particular DevOps team. Earlier in earlier that 3 years I was in the same project, but it was under different team where it majorly works on some monitoring part and some CI/CD pipeline setup, but completely not involved in the DevOps practices 100%. Okay, some almost covering 50 to 60%, but here in 2 years you have completely worked on that. Like that you can showcase your skills. Why? Because uh, I mean, especially in this case, I'm talking. Whenever you have some 5 years of experience, then obviously the interviewer will be having some more expectations on you, like how your way of answer and how the scenario based questions you are able to answer, how problem statement you are. Let's say if there is a problem statement, how you are able to tackle that particular situation, how to solve that, all that things will be considered unnoted. Okay, so as your expectation increases, sorry, as your experience increases, expectations obviously increases. So instead of not wasting too much of your like years of experience saying that I was completely into non-IT or some completely full desktop support, like that, I mean, just saying 4 years into desktop support and 1 year I am working in a DevOps. Instead of that, try to showcase this particular thing. Some 2 to 3 years I have worked as some support which was related to DevOps only, but dedicatedly didn't get a chance to involve as a newbie, like that you can showcase. And later on, as a internal organization transition, or else internal organization opportunity, job opportunity, or some role vacancy, I applied for that and I got a chance to completely serve full time as a DevOps engineer. Like that, you can showcase your skills. Okay, this is the like my reply for this particular comment. And if we talk about the general perspective, there are some base who are, let's say, especially I don't want to take the names of the companies, but many of the MNC companies, you can see top MNC companies, where some people will be get into some good project, but some people will be get into some bad project. Bad in the sense there was a kind of repetitive work, like ticket management, like incident resolution, and some kind of tracking issues. All those things will be comes under this particular bad project. I'm just sharing some pointers to get familiarize or understanding with that. Okay, so what the things is happened was, some people, I mean, especially I talk about a career transition. Let's say if you are in a as a fresher, if you are enter into this particular MNC company, and that MNC company put you into this particular project, that was some complete support project. Obviously, if it is a support project, then there is no scope of much learning in that. So my suggestion for those guys was, try to move out from that particular project as soon as possible. Try the possible cases. What are the possible cases? Like exit, try to exit from that particular project. One more thing, before joining of the project only, try to inquire about the project with the people you may know in the organization, or some other people, like that. Okay, and let's say unfortunately you enter into that, and if you are trying to get out, I mean, I show them the like some valid reason, or your your interest into so and so field. I did this and this, I learned this and this, like that. Try to showcase yourself, then obviously you will get a chance. And in bad case, if it is not possible to come out from that particular project, then obviously you need to get more like experience and exposure, or do some own projects after your office hours, other than the support work. Okay, like building your own projects for resume, or practicing the things, then you will get to know like how the things work in real. Okay, and many of the companies adopt the same toolkit, like Git, Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, Azure DevOps, AWS as a cloud, or different cloud services, and Prometheus, Grafana for monitoring, Kubernetes and Docker for containerization and orchestration platform, like that. Mostly all will be, the tools whatever I have listed, like Terraform, Ansible, all the things will be like generic tools, where many of the companies follow this. And there are some like organization, they will have their own toolkit. Okay, so it's not going to, it's not a boundary for you. These generic tools, which are majorly open source, you can learn them, and you can obviously change a company. Okay, that is the one and only way. And try to make this particular decision as soon as possible. Soon is very much important. Why? Because as the experience increases, the expectations obviously increases. Let's say if you have 2 years of experience and 5 years of experience, then obviously the question range and I mean the expectation from you was definitely it will differ, right? So keep that in mind and take a wise decision, and don't waste your early years early years in the sense beginning of your career journey in some support projects. Later on you need to like face some problems. Okay, like there is no much salaries and there is no work, good work, and there is no much learning. All things you will fail. Okay, so if you try to keep hard work in initial career, then definitely you will have a bright future, and you will enjoy, or else you will get some more good experience or exposure for some new learnings and some different okay. So that is the one and only my suggestion regarding this, those who are in non-technical and planning to transition into DevOps or into this particular field. The one thing I wanted to stressly say was they are looking for a experience. Sorry, the team. I mean, majorly the companies, the interviewer will look for a guy who have skills. Okay, skills matters here. The experience later. Okay, and let's say if you are not able to justify your skills with compared to the experience, then obviously there is a very less chances of considering your profile further. Okay, so think about this and do prepare yourself, and try to what I can say was try to justify your skills instead of highlighting your experience, or else instead of lowering down your experience, you can improve your skills. Okay, that is how it will works, and you will get a good range of salary also when you have good experience. And just do a projects which are available in open source Git repositories, and some YouTube videos also available. Okay, and all the best for your what I can say for upcoming interviews and those who are preparing or else planning to prepare. It is a very good platform. Come and prepare. And if you have any further questions like this, please feel free to put. I will definitely take it and answer in a way that it will help to me as well as to you guys as well, where you will get a clear understanding. And if you have any further discussions or any plans to have something, if you want to ask some suggestion like a brother, please do consider, and I will very much happy to help you. Okay, then see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.